Forgot your Discord password and can't log into your account? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Discord password. First, open the Discord app on your device and go to the login screen. Enter the email address associated with your Discord account. Then tap on Forgot Your Password below the password field. If you're using Discord on a PC, simply click the Forgot Your Password on the login page after entering your email address. Now, open your email inbox and look for a message from Discord. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you find the email, open it and click the Reset Password button. A new page will open where you can create a new password for your Discord account. Choose a strong password. After entering your new password, click Change Password. That's it. Your Discord password has now been successfully reset. Go back to the Discord app or website and log in using your email address and your new password. You should now have access to your account again. And that's how you can reset your Discord password if you forgot it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.